Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm going to show you how to take cuttings from woody herbs like lavender. You can also do this for rosemary as well. So I've got a lavender Munstead here, which I'm going to take a semi-ripe cutting from. So a semi-ripe cutting is a cutting that's taken towards the end of summer, and it's usually from this season's growth. If you're taking the cutting from your garden, I recommend having a little plastic bag handy, just because when you take the cutting, you want them to stay moist until you're ready to propagate them. I'm going to do a heel cutting, which is pretty much you just pull it off and it leaves a little heel, which I'll show you. So I'm just going to snap it off. And as you can see, there's like a little heel left there, and that is where the new roots will grow from. I've already got a little fibre pot with multi-purpose compost and a bit of grit in there for drainage. And all you need to do is take all the lower leaves off, and then you just pop that in your soil, firm it down, and then you would then water that and put it in a heated greenhouse or on a warm windowsill in a plastic bag, just to keep the environment humid. And then that should grow quick roots, because they tend to put on roots quite quickly at this time of year. And then as soon as it's got roots, you can then pot it on into a bigger pot.